Hi, in this question, we are given the value of d, which is the arithmetic difference between the numbers in the arithmetic progression sequence, and we are given a3, that means the third number in the sequence, and we're supposed to find a1. Alright, so to do this, we can directly apply the formula that we have seen in the earlier question. Okay, so what is that formula? That formula is an is equals to a1 plus n minus 1d. Alright, so this is the formula to find any nth term in the sequence. Alright, so how do I apply this formula now? So so I given that a3 is equals to 43, so a3 is equals to 43, which is equals to a1 plus n minus 1. So in this case, n is 3. So 3 minus 1 multiplied by d, which is 12. Okay, so I can now rewrite it as 43 equals to a1 plus 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 times 12 is 24. So to solve for a1, I'll get 19. Alright, so you can see that the same formula that we used in the earlier question, we can apply it here now. But in this question, we are given the d and we are given a particular nth term, and we're supposed to find a1, the first term. Alright, so this is another way of applying the same formula to solve for another unknown, which is the first term in the arithmetic progression sequence. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.